My history with Downeast Auto Body goes back nearly 10 years now. 2015 was a doozy for me. I hit a deer in the fall. A few weeks later, someone backed into my car and I had the same front end replaced. I've used Scott the entire time and he always walks me through the process.
We're the ones that assess the damage to your vehicle, rate what we can see up front, and if your vehicle's not drivable, we then put it out back for a full tear down.
That process is where I take and I'll analyze the damage, the collision damage to the vehicle, figure out what it needs to bring the car back to pre-accident condition, compare that to what they wrote for an estimate, and then connect the dots so that the end result is a quality repair to restore the vehicle back to pre-accident condition.
This is my quality control bay. It's the last safety net. If anything is wrong with the car, paint-wise, tech-wise, mechanic-wise, I do my best to find it, make sure the customer gets what they expect.
The car was in and out within a timely manner, and again, always looks better when I get it back home than when it went in.
We are a direct repair company for certain insurances. Certain companies trust us to act as their adjusters. Those companies will allow us to write the estimates, order parts, schedule in the repairs, and take it from there.
I don't have to get an appraisal and then speak to my insurance company and go back and forth, so it's very convenient. Plus the convenience of having the rental facility right on site.
Having been here since 2001, one of the things that I've really learned along the way is the importance of maintaining that relationship with the customers, seeing them go out the door with their vehicle repaired 100% to their liking really gives us a feeling of having done a good job.
Really pleased with the work they've done for me over the years and the relationship that I've been able to build with them.
Downeast is still a family-run business, and as big as we are in Brewer, Maine, you don't see that often anymore. So very fortunate for what we have here, and we got a great workforce.
North of Boston, there probably is not a facility that's equipped and trained as much as this facility is. This facility has over 300 years worth of experience with all the collision repair technicians and the painters technicians who are trained at all different levels of repair. The training here is all certified by Toyota, it's certified by Ford and GM. They come into our facility, they look at our equipment, they look at our training program, and they'll approve us for the repairs to their vehicles.
It is our goal to make sure this car goes on the line just the way it was before the accident. And we do our very best to get that done.
I recommend Downeast Auto Body to everyone because they're friendly, they're knowledgeable, and they make the process very easy. I'm not surprised they won the award. I would have given them one if I could have. They're the best, and they make the process very easy, and I am a very happy customer.